Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna let you know how to make unlimited referral using your invite link. There's a unique method through which you can make unlimited referrals on your PC or mobile phone. Now, first of all, let's say there's a website called Movieflow.ai and here's my unique invite link. After someone makes account using my invite link, I'll get 500 credits. But this is so difficult that I'll share this link to everyone in my WhatsApp or anywhere. So I'm going to copy this link from here, and you have to open this website which is called skills.google.com. Now you will see this interface here. First of all, you have to join it from here. Create account with Google. Click your account and just simply continue it from here. Just choose a random date of birth and clear this captcha from here. Now click I accept. Alright, now you will see this home screen here. Search your generative AI and you will see a lab option here which is generative AI with Vertex AI and prompt design. It's 45 minutes of duration. Just simply click it and you will see the option of start lab here. Just click it and lab will be started. Now right click here and open this link in incognito window. You can read these terms and conditions and all that stuff. Now open new tab in incognito window and paste your unique invite link. I'm going to copy this from here and I'm going to paste this link here and just click enter. And now simply sign up with Google from here. Choose this account, click continue. Now you can see the option login successful. Yeah, I made this account using the student email. Now we can see, let's refresh this account. Now you can see these 500 credit which I got from this invite link. Now close this window from here and here. Go to this, simply end this lab and open new tab. Close this one and again you have to open this website. Now you will repeat all that process here. Simply sign up it. And here's another successful referral. Now I'm gonna refresh this page. Now you can see this credit are 1000. Here are 2 invited friends. Here you can see invited records. And yeah, through this process you can generate unlimited referrals. Yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. I'll see you in the next video.